Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2252, indicates an issue with the air-fuel ratio sensor 1, specifically denoting a low-voltage situation in the AFS circuit. The AFS sensor is crucial for optimal fuel delivery and combustion efficiency. It is typically found upstream of the catalytic converter, attached to the exhaust manifold or engine's exhaust system, constantly monitoring the air-fuel mixture. When the AFS sensor malfunctions, it can lead to performance issues as the engine control module, ECM, relies on accurate readings to adjust fuel delivery. Consequently, a P2252 diagnosis must be taken seriously as it affects vehicle emissions, fuel efficiency, and overall engine operation. Proper verification through professional diagnostic tools, like the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, is vital for accurately determining the nature of the issue. The P2252 error arises when the AFS sensor 1 detects a low voltage in the AFS circuit. This sensor plays a pivotal role in measuring the ratio of air to fuel entering the engine, communicating data to the engine control module, ECM, for real-time adjustments. When this voltage is below a critical threshold, the system responds by triggering the P2252 DTC. The AFS sensor is located in the exhaust system before the catalytic converter, where it effectively gauges the combustion process. It is essential to establish whether the sensor itself is faulty or if there are external factors contributing to this low voltage condition. To begin troubleshooting, confirming the DTC with sophisticated diagnostic tools is crucial to pinpointing the issue accurately. Several potential issues can lead to the P2252 code. The first possibility is a faulty A/F sensor 1 itself, which may have become damaged due to age or exposure to extreme temperatures. Another critical factor is wiring faults within the AFS circuit. Frayed or shorted wires can lead to erroneous voltage readings. Additionally, the engine control module, PCM, might be malfunctioning, leading to incorrect voltage processing. Each of these components must be inspected thoroughly during the troubleshooting process, as they directly impact fuel management and overall engine performance. Identifying the specific cause requires methodical testing and verification to prevent further complications or misdiagnoses. The P2252 code can manifest through various symptoms, significantly affecting vehicle performance. A common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light, serving as an immediate alert to drivers. Furthermore, drivers may experience noticeable declines in engine performance and responsiveness, including hiccups or stalling during acceleration. Increased fuel consumption is another significant warning sign, as a malfunctioning AF sensor can lead to improper fuel mixture, resulting in less efficient combustion. If the issue persists, it may also contribute to increased emissions, which can have regulatory implications. Paying close attention to these symptoms is crucial for timely diagnosis and maintenance, ensuring the vehicle operates efficiently and adheres to environmental standards. The first troubleshooting step involves verifying the presence of the DTC P2252. To begin, turn the vehicle's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any existing DTCs, effectively resetting the system. After clearing the codes, start the engine and maintain a speed of 3,000 RPM without load, either in park or neutral, until you observe the radiator fan activating. This operation helps to confirm whether the P2252 DTC appears again during this test phase. Once you check for new pending or confirmed DTCs with the HDS, if the P2252 code reappears, it indicates that the failure persists and further investigation is warranted. In the second troubleshooting step, You need to assess for any short circuit in the AFS wire. Start by turning the vehicle to the off lock mode. This ensures safety while servicing. Next, utilize the HDS to jump the SCS line and allow for a waiting period of over 1 minute. Then, disconnect the PCM connector C, 51P, and the AFS Sensor 1's 4P connector to isolate the components involved. You will then check for continuity between the designated test points. Test point 1 at PCM connector C, 51P, number 47, and test point 2 at body ground. If continuity exists, it indicates a short in the AFS wire between the PCM and the AFS sensor, requiring immediate repair. Otherwise, it indicates that the AFS wire is intact, leading to the next troubleshooting steps. The final troubleshooting step focuses on examining the internal circuitry of the PCM after confirming that the AFS wire is functional. Reconnect the PCM connector C, 51P, ensuring a secure fit to restore communication with the system. Then exit the SCS mode using the HDS before starting the engine again. Allow the engine to stabilize at a speed of 3,000 RPM without load for a brief period. After this, the AF sensor 4P connector should be disconnected for accurate measurement, and you must then measure the voltage between defined test point 1 at the AF sensor connector and body ground at test point 2. If the voltage is around 0.2 volts or lower, you should look for authorized service information or consider replacing the PCM. Conversely, if the voltage is acceptable, this suggests the PCM's internal circuits are functional, and replacing the AF sensor 1 becomes necessary. Once repairs are complete, it's crucial to execute a final verification to ensure that the P2252 issue is resolved. Start by confirming that the necessary components, either the AFAX sensor or the PCM, have been adequately repaired or replaced. Next, recheck the system for any lingering or new DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS. If any codes are present, further investigation may be necessary to ensure that the repairs addressed the root issue. After clearing the codes, retest the vehicle using the same procedures initially employed to provoke the P2252. This process guarantees the vehicle operates without repeating the earlier problems, confirming a successful repair. Engaging in preventive maintenance is key to avoiding future occurrences of the P2252 error. Regular inspections of the AF sensor should be performed, allowing early detection of any issues that may arise in performance or readings. It's also essential to routinely check associated wiring connections for signs of wear or damage that can lead to signal or voltage discrepancies. Maintaining overall engine conditions, including regular oil changes and ensuring proper coolant levels, supports the longevity of the AF sensor. Alongside preventive measures, keeping an eye on any changes in vehicle performance can provide insights that help catch and address potential issues before they escalate into larger, more complicated problems. In conclusion, understanding and addressing DTC P2252 is crucial for maintaining optimal vehicle performance. The structured troubleshooting approach laid out ensures that each aspect of the AF sensor and its associated circuitry is rigorously tested, leading to accurate diagnoses. Recognizing potential causes and symptoms enhances your ability to address issues as they arise proactively. Incorporating preventive maintenance practices further aids in reducing the likelihood of a recurring P2252 code. A well-maintained vehicle not only operates efficiently, but also complies with emissions standards, thereby avoiding potential fines associated with excessive emissions. Ultimately, timely repairs and an awareness of possible issues can lead to a more reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.